Hey guys, it's just Sanaya and we are back with another video. Today we are playing with Dollar Tree slime, but it has glitter in it. So, I want you guys to watch this video, subscribe, and to make sure to like it. And I need to ask you a question. What kind of slime do you guys like? Make sure to comment below on this video, so let's get started. So this one's green. So cute. Has lots of sparkles. This one's blue. This one's pink. It kind of looks like orange. And we're going to mix it up with these glass beads. Let me open it. Guys, look at that. Oh my God, so smooth. Guys, it has like a little bit of green or something, like a little bit of pink in it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna knead it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so weird, guys. So I want to put some beads in it. I'm gonna put some of these beads. All right. Oh, let's mix it up. Whoa, look at that. You see that pink? Oh, it's raining. No. It's raining. We gotta go. Guys, this is gonna look so beautiful. Watch when I mix it up. Oh gosh, no, get back in here. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. Yeah. Goodness. Wow. That is so cool. Look. There's some right there. Now let's get to the next one. This one's kind of orange and pink, but it's not pink enough. But it looks like, oh my goodness. I have to put, wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Tell me in the comments, how did I find this slime? Because look at this, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna put some beads in it, some colorful beads. Oh gosh, here comes some magic. No! Ah! Alright, so let's mix all that up. Oh no! So let's take these kinds. Let's take that kind. And let's take this kind. And let's take that kind. Let's take this kind. Oh gosh, guys. Look at all this. How are we gonna take care of it? Gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. Wow. The big mummy. Wow. Oh my gosh. So let's get to the next one, the Blu-ray. Let's open it. Wow. Look how clear the bottom is. Now guys, you can see there's a little bit of pink in it almost. So cute. Now let's lay this flat on the ground. Alright. Incoming. Oh. If you guys like this slime better than the other slime video, just say that in the comments. And you know the color of these ones? I really like it because it's like pink, like like a pink color. I love pink. And all the pink colors that are in here are cute. Like all that pink. They're coming! Ah! So let's mix these two up and see what they look like. Whoa. Incoming! Whoa, this is a lot of slime. Ooh. Ooh-wee. You can hear all of those bees coming out of the slime. Whoa. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. It can break easily. Now let's put some more beads in it. There we go. Whoa. Let me put that back. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Now let's flip it back over. And let's get some beads. You get back on top. Hey-ya! Alright. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Oh, wow. As you can see, guys, it's a lot of beads on the table. Whoa. watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to say down below, I like slime videos, and make sure to ask me to do more slime videos. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.